Most of us read the Quran, many of us listen to it. But to truly understand it, we need more than translation. We need to know why was this verse revealed, when was it revealed, what was happening at that time, and what is Allah teaching us through it today. Welcome to Beyond Recitation. In this channel, we will go through the Quran from beginning to the end in clear verse-by-verse order. For each verse, we will understand the meaning, the historical background, the connection with previous verses, and the lesson for our life today. This is not random Islamic content. This is a structured journey through the Quran. Start from episode 1, open the playlist, and follow the order. Let the Quran unfold step by step, with the meaning, context, reflection, and guidance.